How to connect Shopify to Wix. Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of seamlessly connecting your Wix website with Shopify. But first, why would you want to do this? Well, one compelling reason is to create a smooth integration between the two platforms, allowing for automated processes and improved efficiency. Let's dive into the detailed steps. First is you need to open your Shopify account and then ensure that your online store and products are set up and active. As you can see, it is shown active. This is very crucial for the integration to work seamlessly. And then you have to open Wix account and then create a new site if you don't have account yet. And then you need to fill up some information needed, such as what kind of website are you creating, online store, then now prepare for a dashboard. Then you have to sign into your Wix account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account by clicking this create new site. And then once you're signed in, you have to locate the automation on your Wix dashboard, but it depends on your Wix dashboard layout. You may find it different sections. Click new automation. Then at the bottom, you want to create your own custom automation and start from scratch. We can name this automation and then we need to select an app to see its triggers, which is Wix stores. And then choose an action. We need to connect it on Zapier. We have to open an account on Zapier, and once you're signed in Zapier, we need to create Zap, and we need to select a trigger, which is Shopify. We're integrating Shopify with another platform, so we need to set up this trigger event. In this case, we will going to select an event which is new customer, because you want to automate actions whenever a customer is added to your Shopify store, and then click continue. To establish the connection between Zapier and Shopify, you'll need to connect your Shopify account. Here is where it is crucial to have both Shopify and Zapier accounts open in separate tabs. In the Shopify tab, copy your store website's URL and email address. Then you'll need to define what action should occur in the other platform, and in this case, it is Wix. We need to search for Wix, and then we need to select a event that you want to trigger in Wix. And for instance, if you want to create a new user, click this create or update user. And then just like in Shopify, you'll need to connect your Wix account to your Zapier. So just follow the prompts and sign into your Wix account to authorize the integration. If you go back to your Wix dashboard in automation, you want to see your automation is active and enabled. So that's it. Your Shopify and Wix integration is now set up and ready for automated tasks between two platforms. Please note that the specific steps and options may vary depending on your use case on the applications you're integrating. Thanks for following along with this detailed tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!